What is it, guys? Then at the site. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Outlook not opening. So first, you need to press the Windows plus R key. After that, a small command prompt will open. From here. You need to search for Outlook, and after the Outlook, you need to type in .exe space slash save, and after that, you need to hit OK. So this will open your Outlook in safe mode. So just simply click on OK, and then the Outlook will open in the safe mode. And if this still doesn't work, you need to search for Outlook here. And after searching for Outlook, just simply right click on it and then click on App Settings. After clicking on App Settings, here you will see the Outlook App Settings. So just simply scroll down till the end and then click on Repair. So this will repair all the issues in your Outlook. But if it still doesn't work, and if you can reset the Outlook application, just simply click on Reset. So this will reset your whole Outlook application, and this will solve the issue. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.